Good morning guys, welcome back to sunny Florida and Max's Mean Machines. So the Hummer's AC stopped working and I believe it's because the fans stopped working. It's been making a whistling noise for a bit of time now, on and off, and finally it stopped working, so no air was coming out. So I'm assuming it's just the fact that the blower went. Anyway, here's the new blower. And it actually looks quite easy to replace, just 3 bolts there. But I think you have to remove a couple of things. So remove this plastic cover here, which is incredibly easy. It's literally just got 2 7mm little nuts there. And you can access them pretty well. I just use this. And then the motor is bolted right up there. Now I can see 2 of the bolts, which are 8mm, but this, so I'm not quite sure what this is, a resistor or something like that. But I took the 2 8mm nuts from this first, which sits right in front of the blower motor here, and it gives you a little bit more space. I'm not sure if you have to take that out, but it's incredibly easy to do it, so you might as well get it out of the way. And then you remove the 3 8mm little screws in here, and you wiggle this down like this. So it couldn't really be much easier. See, those are the 3 screw holes there. The only hard part about it is the one at the very back is on an angle and it's quite hard to get to. And if you've got big hands, it's really hard. And getting it back in, getting that last screw in might be a little bit difficult, but that's the only thing that I think could be difficult. Anyway, apart from that, it's incredibly easy. Always good to check to make sure they look the same before you put it back in.
No, it's fine.
That wire connection,
I'm sure they can go by what they look like.
Looks the same. So everything's good. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this one back in, bolt it up, and let's see where we're at. Okay, I took that fan motor out and had the other one in probably about half an hour, so it's a really easy job. And the blower's never blown so good. It's ice cold. Well, it didn't affect the AC, but because there was no fan, we weren't getting any AC. But fans are much smoother, and man, that's crazy how powerful it is now. No, it's really awesome. And there's far less interference on the radio. There was a big buzzing on the radio, which I'm not getting now. So everything's really good. So just put the plastic cover on, the 2 little nuts, and you're good to go. Hey guys, I just replaced the blower motor in my 2006 Hummer H2. It's incredibly easy. It took me about half an hour. You take the plastic cover off, which are 7mm nuts, 2 of them. Just screws, they come out really easily. And then the screws that go in here, they're 8mm, so you need an 8mm socket. There's a plug which goes in here, and you have to push down on the tab to slide it out. And there's like a little rheostat or something with 2 8mm bolts in front of this, which it takes 10 seconds to remove to get it out of the way. And you just undo it and do it back up. And I've got an accompany video showing you a few of the stages. Anyway, hopefully this was helpful to you, and enjoy your new fan motor when you put it in. Thanks for watching Max's Mean Machines, and please subscribe.